If you're trying to change your App Store country or region but getting stuck, here's how to fix it. First, cancel any active subscriptions. And for that, go to your Settings app, then tap on your name at the very top. After that, go into Subscriptions. And here, cancel any active Apple subscriptions because you cannot change regions if you have one running. After that, if you have any Apple ID balance, you will need to spend it. You won't be allowed to switch regions while there's unused credit. Next, if you're a part of a family sharing group, leave that. And for that, go back to the Apple account menu and tap on Family. Here, remove yourself or ask the organizer to remove you. Next, change country or region, and for that, go back to the Apple account menu and tap on Media and Purchases. After that, select View Account and tap Country or Region, and from here, pick the new one and agree to the terms. After that, add a payment method and billing address that matches your new country. Without this, the changes won't go through. And that's all. Once everything checks out, you'll be able to access that country's app store and its app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.